Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business finance focus using lighting effects in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place an image that supports a strong finance message. I pause to understand where attention should go. I duplicate the layer and open lighting effects. I drag the light directly toward the key business area. I stop here and reduce intensity to avoid distraction. I zoom in to check clarity on finance details. I soften the light edges so the focus feels natural. I zoom out and observe the flow. Now I add business finance text where the light naturally leads. I align everything carefully. The final result feels focused, clean, and professional for business finance visuals.